In a pivotal move, the House Energy and Commerce Committee has passed a bipartisan bill that could force ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, to sell the platform or face a ban in the United States. Here is what the news is reporting on the situation.
All right, while U.S. companies find themselves being targeted by foreign governments, the U.S. government is targeting Chinese companies. Specifically, momentum gaining against TikTok as the House Committee unanimously voted to approve a bill that could lead to the platform being banned in the United States. Lawmakers argue the bill is more of a national security measure against TikTok's owner ByteDance and less really to any threat posed by TikTok.
The bill, known as the Protecting Americans from Foreign Adversary Control Applications Act, aims to address national security concerns surrounding TikTok. The pressure to regulate TikTok has been mounting, with concerns raised about its potential ties to the Chinese government and the risks it poses to U.S. national security. Lawmakers fear that TikTok could be used as a tool by the Chinese Communist Party to influence democratic processes in the U.S. and collect data on American users. Let's check out to see what they are saying in these TikTok streets.
Whoa, now what's happening with y'all? Like, check this out. Here we go again. If it ain't one thing, it's another. So Biden says as soon as this TikTok ban bill come across his desk, he's ready to drop wet ink on it. As soon as it hit his desk, he's ready to drop wet ink on it. You know why? Because he can't control the narrative. He don't understand the app, and the people don't understand his ass. See, the difference between him and Trump is Trump knows about the app. It works for him. He can get a lot of his messages out through TikTok. See, that's the business mind. But a fool, snatch it away. Don't understand it. Shut these people up. Get rid of it. Whatever we got to do. They want to send you over to Facebook. That's where the dinosaurs lay. That is where the dinosaurs at. Your grandma, your granddaddy, and your aunties, and everybody that supports Biden. That's where they want you to go. And Facebook is known for controlling the narrative and doing sneaky foul shit. That's where they want to send you at.
Do you still support banning TikTok? Would you sign that bill?
If they pass it, I'll sign it.
You know, I wasn't going to comment on this because I didn't think our president was that foolish. As a politician, even if the TikTok ban bill passed the House and the Senate, made its way to his desk, why would he sign a bill that would piss off 170 plus million Americans? Voters, Americans who are already pissed. I know no one who's happy right now.
Some folks are saying, I depend on TikTok to run essentially marketing for my small business. If it is banned eventually, what does that mean for the small business economy?
Not going to get banned because I'm going to buy it. Somebody's going to buy it. It won't be Meta and it won't be Google because the regulator will stop that. A syndicate will be formed. I would like to be involved, obviously. Well, what I would do is form a bipartisan committee, an advisory committee for 18 months. Go to them and I'd say to them, how much will you let me keep of the Chinese? In other words, can we offer them 20% of NewCo? And then everything else, hire an American CEO, American board, move the servers here to the United States, rewrite the code so we shut out the Chinese backdoors, because that's what everybody wants. But you can leave a taste for the Chinese, and we'll put a mandate in place. They get to keep 20%. That way, you run a process. This is worth billions. It's one of the most successful advertising platforms in social media today. All my companies use it. I'll buy it. I can put a syndicate together of debt and equity as long as I can get the blessing of the House, because nobody wants to fund this thing if they think they're going to be blocked politically. But if we make it all American, including the servers, I can get this deal done. I want to buy it.
The public is not going for it at all. Platforms identified as threats would face bans unless they sever ties with the foreign country within 165 days. If approved by both chambers, it will then be presented to President Biden for a final decision. In response to the bill, TikTok has launched a campaign urging users to contact their representatives to oppose the potential ban. I'm not sure if that was a good idea, but I will say they were not happy with the bombarded phone calls, saying TikTok proved their point by doing such a thing. The TikTok campaign against ban backfired on them. The platform highlights the impact a ban would have on businesses, creators, and artists across the country. What are your thoughts on this situation? Do you think TikTok should be banned? Share your comments below. Dream Creator Pro offers a wide range of Canva templates for social media, ebooks, and more, making design creation easy. Exclusive access to premium templates is available, catering to various users' needs. Sign up for unlimited design possibilities and visit Dream Creator Pro for enhanced visual content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.